This review is based on a comprehensive collection of user feedback and expert observations from across the internet regarding the magnetic flashlight with telescoping magnet pickup tool by Alamoa. This product is marketed as a versatile tool designed for men, handymen, and DIY enthusiasts, combining a flashlight with a magnetic pickup tool that extends and bends to reach tight or dark spaces. It is intended as a practical gift for occasions such as birthdays, Father's Day, and Christmas, and aims to assist in various repair and retrieval tasks. The flashlight features 3 bright, energy-saving LED lights that illuminate areas difficult to see with standard flashlights. The telescoping arm extends from 6.8 to 22.6 inches, and the flexible neck allows for 360-degree adjustment, which helps users position the light and magnetic pickup exactly where needed. The magnetic ends are designed to pick up small metal objects like screws, nuts, bolts, and washers, making it easier to retrieve these items from hard-to-reach places such as behind appliances, inside cabinets, or within automotive parts. Users have praised the solid metal construction of the device, noting that it feels durable and well-made. The telescoping feature and magnet on the pickup end are generally regarded as effective, especially when fishing out dropped screws or similar metal pieces. The flashlight's brightness and adjustability also receive positive remarks, as the LEDs provide sufficient illumination for detailed work in confined or dark areas. However, there are notable criticisms regarding the magnet at the base of the flashlight. Several users report that this magnet is not strong enough to hold the flashlight securely when attached to a vertical or perpendicular metal surface. This limitation reduces the hands-free utility of the device, which is a key feature for many who want to attach the flashlight to a metal surface and work with both hands free. Some users speculate that this may be due to receiving a weak or demagnetized unit and hope that replacements might perform better. The product package includes 4 LR44 batteries and a stainless steel pocket clip, adding to its portability and convenience. The pocket clip allows users to carry the flashlight easily, making it accessible for quick use during various tasks. The battery-powered design ensures the flashlight is ready to use out of the box, though the small batteries may require replacement over time depending on usage. In terms of applications, this tool is useful not only for household repairs but also for outdoor activities such as camping, boating, fishing, and roadside emergencies. Its ability to illuminate and magnetically retrieve metal objects can be invaluable in situations where visibility is low and dropped items are difficult to reach. Overall, the magnetic flashlight with telescoping magnet pickup tool is a practical gadget that combines lighting and magnetic retrieval in one compact device. Its strengths lie in the solid build, effective telescoping and flexible design, and bright LED illumination. The main drawback is the insufficient strength of the base magnet, which limits the flashlight's ability to stay attached to metal surfaces securely in all orientations. For those who need a handy tool for occasional use in tight spaces, or for retrieving small metal parts, this product offers good value for the price. It is recommended to check the magnet strength upon receipt and consider returning or exchanging if the base magnet does not meet expectations. Users who rely heavily on the hands-free magnetic attachment feature may want to be cautious or seek alternatives with stronger magnets. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is provided in the description to support this channel and assist viewers in finding this useful gadget. In conclusion, the magnetic flashlight with telescoping magnet pickup tool is a solid, multifunctional tool with some limitations. It is a useful addition to the toolkit of anyone who frequently works in dark or confined spaces and needs a reliable way to illuminate and retrieve metal objects. With some improvements in magnet strength, it could be an outstanding tool for DIYers and professionals alike.